What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing of the Cobb Turbo Inlet V2 for the 2013 STI. And here is the turbo inlet, as well as the bag of accessories that it comes with. In the bag, there are a few fittings that need to be installed into the turbo inlet. There are 3 in the front, 1 in the back that uses a special fitting that uses your factory hose. The large remaining opening towards the rear is for your bypass valve, and that will be installed with the vacuum parts. There are also 2 hose clamps that come in the box. One smaller one goes to the rear of the turbo inlet to turbo, and the larger one goes on the front of the turbo inlet, and that clamps down the aluminum fitting in the front. And this concludes our unboxing of the Cobb V2 turbo inlet for the STI. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.